Namaste, Hari Om. My greetings to all the Swamijis present, participants and organizers of Hindu Mada Mahamandalam. The most ancient philosophy on the planet is the Vedic philosophy. And from here, many branches of science have developed. India has contributed to the world immensely through the books and sacred teachings of Veda and Vedanta, Agama Shastras. This timeless wisdom has given us so much, but we are not recognizing it. We have given the world zero. India has given, Hindu Madam has given to the world mathematics, astronomy, medical sciences, alchemy, you name it. So Veda Vijnana, Jnanam and Vijnanam, Adhyatma Jnanam and Vijnanam, that is science, has been so well synthesized here. Hindu Madam was never dogmatic. It is this faith that proclaimed to the world, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. In the Ulagam Oru Kudumbam. This concept was developed here. The concept of democracy, equality, justice for all were all the gift of Hinduism. Unfortunately, we have forgotten those. We got ourselves divided with a narrow, selfish mind, and we went far away from the wisdom, from knowledge. If you ask anybody in this country, have you read Gita? Very few people will raise their hand. This should not happen. Every Hindu must read Gita. Every Hindu must know about Upanishad. We need to educate our population the glory and dignity of the Dharma. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, this Chaturvida Purushartha concept was developed here. Nowhere in the world you can find that deep understanding about life, about how Dharma and then Artha, economy, and then Kama, the desires, fulfillment of desires, and liberation are all part of human life. And so, let the youths of our country wake up to the purity and dignity of this ancient Madam. Honor it, adopt it in one's life, and create a beautiful society. It is possible. We can create a violence-free, stress-free society. We can create a more creative and forward-looking society with its strong roots in the ancient wisdom. So, Hinduism is one religion on the planet Earth which is so ancient, which has embraced all faith. In Tamil, say, Yammadamum Sammadame. That means seeing the diversity in the unity and unity in diversity. This is our speciality. Let us all work. Let us remove all these other small, narrow-minded feelings and things, and let us protect the Dharma. Why so many youths are renouncing Dharma, such an ancient, such a rich Dharma, and going here and there? This we need to ponder. It is because we have not educated our population in the true meaning of the scriptures. We have not helped our people to stand on their feet, understand themselves and understand others. So many young people are committing suicide among the Hindus. This must end, and this can end when we declare to people, don't worry about your past, don't worry about your sins. Lord Krishna says, Aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma shucha. I am here to take away all your sins and grant you liberation. So, artha, kama, moksha, everything come in our way when we follow dharma. So, my appeal to all young people who have assembled here and who are listening from here, have the scientific temper. From a scientific angle, understand the ancient scriptures. Spend some time in this. Along with this, meditation important. Just reading books not enough. അത് ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഒരു അനുഭവமாக വരണം. എന്താ അനുഭവം ഉണ്ടാക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവർക്കും ധ്യാനം അവശ്യം ചെയ്യണം. പ്രാണായാമവും ധ്യാനവും ചെയ്താൽ அந்த അനുഭവം ഉണ്ടാകും. ഇന്ന് 109வது ഹിന്ദു മത മഹാസമ്മേളനത്തെ ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യരുത് എനിക്ക് വളരെ സന്തോഷമായി. എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്നേഹാശംസകൾ.